In today's video, I'm going to teach you add colors to tags on ClickUp Swift Guide. If you've ever looked at a long list of tasks and thought, there has to be a faster way to spot what I need, color-coded tags are going to be your best friend. Tags in ClickUp are lightweight labels you can add to any task to categorize, group, and visually organize your work. Adding color to those tags makes them instantly scannable, and that little bit of visual structure can speed up your workflow a lot. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through opening your workspace, getting to the right place in list view, selecting a task, creating a new tag, and then changing its color using the built-in tag menu. Along the way, I'll share practical tips so you know exactly what you're seeing and why each click matters, keeping everything clean and simple without any unnecessary detours. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace. If you already have an account, log in the way you normally do, either in a browser or in the desktop app. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free and create one in just a couple of minutes. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at the right space or folder where your tasks live. If you manage multiple teams or areas of work, it helps to glance at the left sidebar and confirm you're inside the workspace context you want to edit. You don't need to change any settings here. The key is simply to get into your everyday workspace so you can find the task whose tags you want to color. It's helpful to have a stable connection and a quiet moment so you don't accidentally click the wrong project if you're moving quickly. Next, head to List View. List View is designed to show tasks in a clean, table-like format that's perfect for editing fields, adding tags, and making quick visual adjustments. If you see other views like Board, Calendar, or Gantt, switch to List so you can work with tasks in a straightforward grid. If you organize tasks across multiple lists or locations, you might also have a view labeled All Tasks, which aggregates everything under the workspace or folder you're in. That's an efficient place to see all items at once, and it can make tag editing faster. The important thing is to bring your tasks into a view with the Tags column visible. Or you can open a task's details where the tag section is easy to find. Once you're in List View, make sure you can see the correct list of tasks. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, check your filters, sorting, or grouping. For example, if you filtered out completed items, the task you want may